great day. We back. 6.0 teardown update. So first, I'm replacing the steam port gaskets. It's very important to do that because when you're taking them out, they will come apart like that one did. So I'm changing that out. Also going to replace this steam port anyway because it got bent. And these knock sensors are totally rusted out. I got new ones. Gonna replace these steam ports also. They're still intact, but I got some new ones for that. I'm gonna replace the valley pan gasket. I'm gonna clean these valve covers up, replace the gasket under there. I'm gonna also take off the crank pulley so I can get the timing cover off. I'm gonna replace the oil pump and the seals behind it. Also put some PB blaster on the exhaust bolts, so hopefully I won't break any more coming out. But I gotta replace that one. And these two on this side. So stay tuned, y'all. I'll be back. We out. The basics.